Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
On the day Waffle had chosen to be his first birthday,
The birthday dog is here!
Mr. Willow invited everyone round to his house.
Happy birthday, Waffle!
Hello, Mrs. Holmes.
We have lots to do. There's Mr. Bubbles, the bubbleologist.
Oh, that's a huge bubble. I want to go.
And look, over there, a bouncy castle.
Make room for me, Ellie.
We have a face painter too.
Hi again, Anaya. Happy birthday, Waffle.
And of course there's a swimming pool. And later on, Waffle, we've got a big surprise for you. Ooh. So you, pup, are going to have a wonderful day.
Off you go.
Ooh, surprise, 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 please.
No, Waffle, you must be patient. Your surprise will happen later.
Oh.
Oh, Waffle, I know. Go and have some fun.
Okay, Waffle, swim.
Yeah.
No, actually, Waffle, I don't think you should go in the pool right now. Sorry, but we don't want any more soggy doggies at the party.
Oh, Trevor, Violet, Splashy, Waffle, Bouncy, yeah!
No, actually, I'm afraid the bouncy castle's off limits to dogs.
Oh. Food.
No, Waffle, the party food's for later on, when everyone is here.
Go and play with George, Waffle. He's over there. Go on, mingle with your guests. Go and have fun. Okay. Hi, George. George, not fair. Waffle swim? No. Waffle bouncy? No. No fun. Georgie? Huh? Oh, Georgie's sleeping. Oh. Huh?
But Waffle's fun was about to begin. Jelly had arrived.
Oh, hello.
Happy birthday, Waffle!
Jelly, jelly, jelly.
What a great party, Waffle!
Jelly says thanks for inviting her.
Jelly, come back. No, Jelly.
Right, no dogs allowed.
Jelly. Come back, Jelly. Jelly. Swimming? Jelly. Waffle swim? Yeah, Waffle swim too. Fun! Jelly! Swimming!
Oh, watch your spraying with water, you dogs!
Hey, Waffle, you know what Mr. Willow said? No swimming pool.
Sorry.
Jelly! Jelly!
It's okay, Waffle. Just enjoy yourself with your friend doing dog things. Go on, go and play something else. Hey, then it'll be time for your surprise.
Oh, yeah!
Yep.
Surprise! Yeah, surprise, surprise!
Quick, Simon! Waffle's coming, he'll see!
What is that? Well, what is it?
Nothing. You shouldn't be here, Waffle.
Go and play with Jelly, Waffle.
Okay. Oh, Jelly, wait! Jelly, come back! Oh, yummy food! Oh, oh. Jelly? Jelly? Jelly!
It's my turn. Oh, yum, yum. Your turn.
Welcome to Waffle's first birthday!
Birthday?
Over to you, Doug.
Right, Waffle. As you know, Waffle is a really good dog.
Good dog.
So here's that surprise.
Go for it, Evie.
It's a clever thought to come around to you, but I always knew you were good.
Waffle makes us happy every day, and I'm glad that he wants to stay.
And it's a big wide world out there. Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
And now we have our Waffle. We all know that. Waffle our dog. We won't let you go.
Waffle surprise.
Through the lows and the highs, we're right by your side through it all.
Oh.
Waffle our dog, when you nuzzle and wool. We stick together whenever the moment is right. Love always wins. Love always wins. Love always wins. We love you. We love you.
Where are you, Waffle? Come on stage with us.
We want Waffle! Waffle! We want Waffle! We want Waffle! We want Waffle! We want Waffle!
Jelly, gotta go to my family.
We want Waffle!
Uh-oh. Whoops. Sorry.
It's okay, Waffle. It's your party.
Silly Waffle!
Oh, Waffle, come here. Everyone was so busy with your surprise song. No wonder you got up to so much mischief.
My turn to sing to Waffle. Oh, excuse me. Out of the way. Excuse me. Excuse me. It took me some time to come around to you, but I knew that you could be good.
Thank you, Mrs. Hobbs, but I think it's Waffle's turn to sing now.
Good idea. Yes, let's have a song from you, Waffle.
Really?
Evie, Doug,
Right, come on then.
Come on.
Excuse me. Right, well done, Zoe. Come on then.
That's it.
Well
Come
done,
on.
Zoe.
This way.
Oh, very good.
In we come.
Right, come on then, you lot. Very good.
Surprise,
Right,
Waffle.
dropping them down, sir.
Perfect.
Oh, very good.
Good, good.
Hello?
Okay, you ready, Waffle?
Yeah.
Here we go.
I'm Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. I'm such a clever dog.
So many nights we're awake when you're whooping. We still love you.
everyone.
Waffle doggy. Waffle doggy. Waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. You are.
Brooklyn Bells, what about a family selfie?
Yeah.
Ready?
Say dog biscuits.
Cheers.
OK then, last one in the pool is a wet dog.
Yum, yum, jelly. Best party food ever.
So Waffle loved his first birthday party. And he was going to love picking up more bad habits from Jelly. But those are stories for another time.
Waffle! Everybody!